Hi, how's everybody doing? I've been working tirelessly over the past couple of days to come up with um, a risk management tool. If some of you know that I have this spreadsheet that I provide for traders, particularly members of our 5 to 40 club, and to help them calculate their trade size and per opportunity they find. Because again, we know that risk management is one of the key um, tools or critical elements of a successful trading career. And so I have the spreadsheet I've been using for years, and I've been provided to many traders over the past couple of years. But I find that using the spreadsheet kind of is not integrated into the trading system. So someone has a spreadsheet and needs to jump back to his trading or her trading platform. And sometimes the data on the spreadsheet isn't updated automatically. It has to be manually updated. And so I've been thinking of how to create a tool that is directly linked to the trading platform. And I can say happily that I have a tool right now that all traders can use for calculating their trade sizes to make it to do it automatically based on a predefined um, risk level, and also taking the data from your account balance. So it knows exactly how much your account balance is at any time. It knows how much you predetermine that each trade you should risk on each trade. And then when you hit the calculate button, it just tells you what the lot size should be. Okay, and so I'm just going to quickly take you through that. And now the tool is an indicator. So there are two of them. There is the indicator and there is the expert advisor. The expert advisor, I'm still working on just to put in the buttons on it. And so you can click on the buy and the sell button straight on the tool to execute a trade. But the indicator just is exactly what the spreadsheet is, but more accurate, more up to date, and then connected to your MetaTrader platform. And so this is what it looks like. So when you receive this, you add it to your indicators folder on your MetaTrader data folder, and you find it in the list there. And so I have it there, the risk management tool. Just drag and drop on the chart, or right click and attach to chart, or you can just double click it and attach to chart. It will do the same thing. So either of those three methods will work. Nothing to fill in, so you don't have to fill in anything because this is just a tool. In the parameters, you don't have to fill anything. You fill something in when you're trying to calculate your lot size. So let's go OK. Boom. And that's just the tool. It's as simple as that. And so on the tool is a risk management tool. You can select your currencies here. Now, these currencies are exactly the currency pairs as listed on your market watch out here. You can see it's just a complete copy of it, and nothing more, nothing less. And that's exactly what it is. So if you have very few, so let's say I hide, I don't know if I can do this, hide all. So if I have just this list here, and I run calculate, it picks up on Euro USD. But let's just drop this out and bring it back in again and see if I can explain what I mean. So right, we pull this in. When you look at this now, you can see that we have fewer than what we had before. And when you look at the tool as well, you can see that it's just those few that we have. So we don't have the full list that we had previously. It's only that what we have here and that we have in the list. So what you want to do first of all is to go to your market watch, which is in view, and you can see market watch there. I can toggle it on or off from there, or you see it right here as an icon here. You can turn it on and off there. And what you want to do is within the market watch, right click and show all. And what will happen then is it will populate the whole system for you. And when I look at this now, this should now have all of my system. If I take it out and take it on, but yeah, it is what it is now. So just in case when you load it for the first time and you don't find the currency pair, it's because you've not shown all on your market watch, as it were. Okay, so that's where you select the currency pair. So you can see that this chart right now is USD CHF, but I can actually select a GBP USD currency pair. I can say I have a stop loss of 34 pips, and it also picks up the currency account currency of this platform. Then it picks up the balance and tells me, and then right here I can select the risk per trade. And so here I can actually type in, if I want 0.5, I can type in 0.5 and then I hit calculate. And you can see 0.5% of my account is actually 24.13. If I do 1%, and calculate, you can see it's 48.5. If I want to risk 100% of my account and I calculate, you can see clearly it pulls up the full account as the money I'm risking. So right here, this is where you manage your risk. You don't have to risk your entire account on one trade. So typically, I suggest that new traders start with 1%, and then more intermediate traders and pro traders, anything from 1 to 3%, or just anything you choose. I still have trades that I open at 0.25%, so it's all about what you choose to do. But this tool just helps it makes it easy for you to know what trade size to enter, irrespective of the risk you've chosen. So let's go with 1% and calculate. And you can see now it tells me my position sizing for that opportunity I saw is 0.17 lots I have to trade. And so all I need to do then is new order, and it has to be GBP USD, remember? And then I can go to GBP USD and I just select in my volume 0.17. And if it's instant, I will do the instant. I'm not going to do that right now because of this is a live account. So that's it. That's what the tool does for you. This is the key thing there. It helps you calculate the position size of your trade. If I had a stop loss of 78 pips and I do calculate, you can see it has automatically reduced the lot size for me. I'm still risking the same amount, so I'm not going to risk anymore, even if the stop loss is wider. I'm risking no more, but my trade size is reduced. And if I have a very small stop loss, then you can see as well, it just changes it for that trade. So if I look at an example, say we have a setup right now on GDP JPY for the London open breakout. So you can see right now I have an auto trading system here already, and that auto system has filled me in on 0.04 lots. So let's check whether that is correct. So there are two trades at 0.04 each. So it's meant to be one trade at 0.08, but it's split it into two because I'm taking two profit levels. So the first one, if this trade gets filled, then the first profit will go out there, the second profit is out there. And so let's take a look at how to calculate this. So it says there that my entry price is 134.781. Then my stop loss is 134.413. So that means my risk, my stop loss is going to be, my stop loss is going to be 134.781 minus 134.413, which will give me 0.368, and this is a JPY pair, so this is 36.8 pips. So all I need to do then is just go to the tool and say I have a, oh, by the way, you can see it's minimized now. All you need to do is to maximize it. You can also minimize it yourself and maximize it too, and just to give you space on the chart. You get, so I'm going to do 36 point what? 36.8 pips. So I'm going to type in 36.8 pips. And I'm going to say on those trades, I am risking 0.25 per trade. And so if I go 0.25% of the account and I calculate, you can see clearly there that it is calculating accurately. So the EA calculated 0.04 accurately, and the tool as well calculated accurately. So it says I should take a 0.04 lot size trade, and if I lose that trade, it will cost me just 12 pounds, 12 pounds and 6 pence. So that's the beauty of the tool. Everything is oh, what did I not do there? What did I not do there? I didn't change the currency pair, so I need to actually, because it didn't make too much of a difference, because there's not too much of a difference in the quick value. It's still the same 0.04, but it can make a difference. So you've got to be careful that you get of a difference. So I hope that clarifies it for you. And you can just go ahead and take the trade. No need to start worrying about the calculation. Am I risking more? Am I risking less? It is just there. It's there to help you. I like to kind of have a black background on this, and so I can just go right click on my chart, properties, and my background. I can change that to black. Oops, green on black. And you can just see. And what I've also done is I've actually reduced the I can change this to actually just lines, and say that's just the line is now in the middle of my calculate button. So I can just leave it there. Yeah, that's it. I can go searching for opportunities, looking at say if I go to USA oil, and I'll put a trade there. I can continue what I'm doing. If I want to enter the trade, I can come back here, maximize it, put the details in, and boom, there you go. Everything is good for me to go. I'm working on updates on this where I maybe be able to put in, instead of you even calculating, these lots and the risk, the pips, the tool will calculate the number of pips for you as well. That will probably be coming soon, but this is good to go. You can start using it. Okay, I hope this is all clear, and I guess you'll find this very useful as well. But if you have any questions, please do come back to me. Yeah, at any time. All right. Until next time, you stay disciplined, and let's see you at the top. Cheers.